all queens think they're fierce. That's a mistake, all queens and me.
Pretty girl got her own wit. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
Up top master represent for Tash. I tell us subscribe and watch the ads on YouTube. See it? Full year, man. Up top, bro.
What's up, Fierce Gang? I'm Tash Fierce and welcome back to another banger video. Today I'm with my best friend, Chrissy, and we will be doing the smack or fact challenge. Let's see who is the better friend. Okay. Alright, so we both have 7 questions. If you're supposed to know the rules, alright. If you don't know the answer, you will get smacked. We don't have no leniency for nobody, no mercy, because we are friends for how much years? About 10 years. So we're supposed to know that the breeze, man. So we're supposed to know the answers to the questions. I don't know if you're question them. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this video. Follow me on all socials at Tash.Fierce. Follow her Instagram at typically and you. Follow her on Instagram at
Chrissy J.
Yeah. Let's get into this video. So best out of 3 or 1 out of 1?
1 out of 1.
Alright. A rock paper scissors shoot, not rock paper scissors again. Ready? Rock, wait a minute, with me I do. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! Alright. So I'm gonna ask her first. Alright, I'm gonna start off easy. Or if you start off hard, then get easy. Which one do you want?
No matter. So I guess my car not.
Alright, easy question. If we go to a restaurant, what is the first thing I'm ordering or I'm looking for on the menu? One thing alone you can choose. Because only one thing, yes. What would be the first thing would I order on the menu? I'm gonna look for on the menu.
That kind of tricky because they like
Oh, I know. Why the first thing I always look for on every menu or everywhere we go?
So you see that question is tricky. Why?
One thing.
You see why it's tricky? Because she changed her favorite something.
Never.
First she did like chicken, then she like burger, then she like pasta, then she like shrimp.
Chicken? Chicken?
Yes.
What your final answer?
Pasta. Shrimp. Don't you kind of love pasta? Shrimp, yeah? Shrimp. Don't you get too weak?
Come. No, I can't believe you really said chicken. Make a restaurant go order chicken.
You always play safe.
Play safe with
You know like shrimp.
you play safe with burger, not chicken. The answer is shrimp.
We get it right, I didn't.
Yeah, you ask my final answer and you say pasta. Your question. Your question.
What's my shoe size in heels?
Heels and flats are different size?
Yes.
Heels and flats are different size?
Yes.
Heels and flats are different size?
Yeah,
how many shoe size in all this game? 9? Or 8 and a half? I want the answer. I want the answer. Yes. What we wearing a slippers then?
7.
No, we're 7 and slippers.
You know we're 7 Tash. Come here. Come.
Alright. She play hard. Alright then. Alright.
All the phone going on.
I'm a lash. She's so quick.
Tell the thing for sure.
What is my father's name?
Don't you want my father name?
I know your turn to ask question. What is my father's name?
You can your mother father.
You know my mother name?
Let me know your mother name.
I'm not expecting if you know her middle name. I'm not expecting if you know it's more
I'm not expecting if you ask me.
You're supposed to know my father's name because I call my father's name.
You said daddy.
But what name?
You say you call your father the other name daddy.
Of course, I call him by his real name too. Call me his name.
No, I try remember. Tash can call your father daddy here.
You call your mother mommy, and me know your mother name.
Father daddy.
She call her mother mommy, and me know where her mother name.
Me call him father daddy here.
Daddy, your final answer?
Dad, no, weird. I don't know when me have Ken picking out of mine.
What?
Your father DM. My name, I'll be joking.
I don't know. May I get one guess? Cause me have little lenience for now, even though me not have none. My father name started with C. Five, 4, 3,
Come on.
Come on, start with C. Come. What's going on? Carl.
Jesus.
Caloric.
Me didn't know. But you
My brother named Caloric and my father named Carl.
Because I say all you come know one them name in have.
Come, go on. And you can't ask me the same question I'm ask
Me
you.
didn't know. Me didn't know.
Come. You can't ask me the same question them. Ask me. Oh, I know your father name.
No, I said I didn't.
You nearly right, though?
No.
What do you mean?
Altan. Altan Ellis.
Oh. Altan, you sure not Leroy? I'm asking you sure.
Very light.
I only Leroy then. You can't ask me things where me don't know.
Alright. The afternoon one now. Which year me start college?
Which year you start college? Me can ask one question first. Eh?
No.
Which year me left high school? Remember which year me left high school? Which year me left high school?
Me not tell you like I know.
No, I never see him here.
You would have know say other one then.
No. Which year me left high school? Exactly. But which year me left high school? Me can use a lifeline?
You can't do anything
I will have a lifeline, you know. But me not think I'm no credit. Let me see if I'll got to answer the phone here. Me call my brother to ask him which year me left. Everybody have a one lifeline. See, you can use your one lifeline too. I'll do not answer. Can you one call?
You don't have a number to you if I eat. Let me try. I told it.
Yeah. Aliuk. Which year me leave high school?
14.
Which year you leave? Leave grade 11.
2013.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So we leave high school in a 2014. So that means I should go college in a 2016. You don't know 1 year 6 months? Oh no, wait, no, that's not my final answer. That's not no, I'm asking my final answer. She got
So she can go weird and ask somebody.
you have to say final question answer first. Wait. 2017 I'm my final answer.
The certificate has not cheat 2 times.
Oh.
Because you can't add you.
Listen, first of all, you gotta get it back from long time when you did say chicken. Me guess a final answer.
No,
2017, right?
I never say it today. I never answer.
2017, right? Alright then, 2017. So me left high school in 2013. Wow. I would think 2015 in my head so. Alright, my question. Name 2 pet peeves. Name 2 of my pet peeves. 2.
When people clap them also.
That's a one. Second one.
I don't like when some of them sound funny, but that's true. I don't like when you left the back limb uncovered. I true Tashika.
Guy, get another one. Maybe even not gonna smack you for the one there.
I like.
Maybe that's another one pet peeve.
Of course.
Alright, let's get a different one. Maybe get one.
Alright.
Don't with the knife. Get a different one.
Commercial break.
Chap boss and I represent for Tash, you know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch the ads. Remember that. Fully chap.
Against it. Jesus Christ.
I'm here to wall heap of things. Never wall heap of things. Month when I write down. One thing, let me give you a clue, you know.
Yeah,
Something when I always have to talk to you about. I love from smacking mouth.
Yes. No.
No, come here always late, so we can't have that as a peppy. You need to give one more chance. One more.
We are always talking about.
We really. For 8 times, we because we're me and both too.
Don't move the things I'm here.
You're close.
When I was doing it.
Come now, I need come. I don't really want to smack you. I don't really want to smack you. Come on.
Like, don't pull up the things and when I put them down, and I put them back down, same place.
Alright, when things unorganized, that's the right word. There's so much chance, me give you.
One chance to give me.
You say about back a cock. You say
But I like.
Alright. Go on, your question now.
Who's my favorite person to be around?
To be around
Yeah.
me? Me? Oh. Woo! How many kids do I want?
3.
Our kid. Kids/kids.
No 3.
That's your final answer?
1.
What final answer?
You don't want to watch you, are they?
What final answer?
I think I didn't get that.
Of course, we talk about this.
At 2 years, you have 1 girl and 1 boy.
Alright, your question. Can be 2 boys to moon vex. I probably want 1 girl who can dress up like me. But anyway, you know, gender don't really matter to me. Just 1 or 2.
How many years did I win champion girl in high school?
3 years?
No.
Oh.
A two trophy.
Listen, me tell you something. Grade 7, Yannick never did reach in the art girl company like that. Grade 8, never really in it. But she going out in a grade 9, but she did still run. So how comes that 2?
A 2. I never do bully for event.
In a grade 9?
I'm there parade.
In a grade 9, and I don't do sports. Yeah.
So,
Don't smack my eye, though.
I was really fun.
And if the way you do me, watch China.
Really fun now. Much.
No, smack me hard. Why you use much powder for my asthmatic?
Right, roll and roll. Go so.
Give me over here to see him.
How me I gonna give you so now?
That's why you not go hard. Come. No. One smack a smack. Come.
Let's knock your. Come, let's knock
Come
your.
on, watch me. Let me take coffee.
Let's knock your touch. Come in.
Don't give me the asthma. The first smack was so hard. Me terrified now. Hold on, me take off my watch.
I will end with you. Hold on, we not doing it.
Yanni!
We don't want to go in your nose.
Oh God, you made my ugly too quick in a video.
Tell them what you're doing. Come here, so.
Alright.
Yeah, no, let me know where you're going to ask me.
You look at my phone. What do you think? Right. What's my favorite alkaline song? Why am I say alkaline song? I don't want to say favorite song and then you just mine go so far. Favorite alkaline song. I'm gonna say this to you enough time. Every time I play, I say my favorite song this, you know? I don't know why I love this song here so much.
You know, I thought everyone say, well, I thought you come at one.
No, no fame song them I like. I have this favorite song. It's a
It's the one?
I'm not saying nothing.
You see, I was like, you want to go eat, because you ever ask me to eat.
Me say me love it. I always say every time I play, I don't know why. I love it. And there's a remix for it.
You make it rub again this again?
No. That will go powder for. I always say, Johnny, I always say this is my favorite song every time I play. And I play on Snapchat so damn often. Feel like me beat my face again. Settings powder.
Is sometimes start on pee.
What?
Sometimes start on pee.
Why? Alright, that you want it now when I start with a P.
So the J.
Yeah, start with too much, you know.
No, I'm not.
We are black. Alright, come. Why you answer? We stop run. Why you answer? Stop run. Come. Why you answer? Come.
Alright. Say J, I'm so
Why you run? Answer.
Alright,
5, 4,
no.
3. Two. Put on your hand. You're mad, me not to like that song. Put on your hand. Come, your time. Hold up your face. Show the shame.
You know what I'm saying?
The answer is right on
You
me.
should have asked me why your favorite artist.
No, but and only be out. Well, that part be influencer. The answer is right on me, and there's a remix with him and Sean Kingston.
Right on.
It's Auntie Masha right there, so she look for you. Tell her one.
1, 2, I don't show.
It does to the Auntie Masha. Want to come me the competition and you wanna ride on me.
What's my favorite thing to do when I'm in my room at night?
Yeah, wait. 2 things in my mind, but because it's a YouTube, I know so that Yanni could never have that for the answer.
Cool.
Observation, you could never have answer. Okay.
Every night.
Her favorite thing to do is sleep. Yanni favorite thing to do. She always asleep. That is, they can't tell me son of that.
You're not
Yanni, a what? Every night. Oh no, wait. So you admit you every night now?
Yes, every night.
Yes, stop it. Then I need a more point than that.
I'm sleep every minute I take an idea. And yes, not like I feel like the person who comes. Really?
You sleep more than all you sleep.
Favorite thing to do at night time, Tashika.
Oh, you do it every time.
No, night time I don't do it. Night time I don't do it, man.
You everything can sleep.
Sleep right through, come. I put the act on me do right through. Alright, we're not doing that. We're not doing that.
Let's get it off.
You know what we want?
Then you stop smack Mr. At the camera and smack your ass. Yes. Sure. Penetration or stimulation?
You can say,
And you see the question is so easy, it's either 1 or 2.
oh, they want to get you wrong. Then I said, no, but alright. feel like stimulation.
That's your final answer?
Yes.
What me get yes?
Yeah.
What me get yes?
Yeah. Are
What
you
me get
right?
yes?
Right?
And that's your final
Yeah.
answer? You sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, you're right.
Okay.
Alright.
Hello, boy.
Girl or boy what?
Um,
Girl or boy, what do you mean?
alright. How many tattoos do I have?
But that's quite, you can't ask me that question, you know why? Because I don't know if you count them separate or you count them in one. Because look, you do one ear and you go put one ear. So I don't know if you count them in one or you count them separate.
No one separate.
Alright then. So if you do something one time together, you count that as one.
No, different tattoo one at a time. What time ago?
Alright. So you count the 2 cheeks them as one or 2. As a 2 cheeks, you count them as 1 or 2.
I want that too.
Alright. So 1. Hope she don't get none of them I know about. 2. 3, 4. 4, final answer.
Yeah.
Oh! Because she get one answer we never did know about until we
never
see
know
it.
what to eat.
What?
I never know what to eat because it's not like me to go there for this.
You drunk when you get it?
No, I never go there for this.
So, this is my last question. I have 2 middle names. What are my middle names? What are my middle names?
So if I'm not even name them.
Alright then, what?
I'm the name Fiona Og. What?
What? What?
Fiona Og.
What? Oh, we are Timbot. I shook you Timbot. Fiona
Fiona something.
No.
And a Fiona something?
Yes, a Fiona Palit.
But we don't know what. No, Og something. O-G-E.
Alright, me have 2 middle. No, look here. Me have 2 middle names. Name one of them.
Fiona.
No.
Fiorana.
Name one. Alfiona. It's not Fiona. It's Alfiona.
So 2 different names that Al and Fiona.
Alfiona is one and one. Where you get Og? What you mean? It's such a word jump. But Og.
So you're gonna ask me that day.
Og?
Spell my middle name.
No, I can't talk about the spelling bee. What is this? This is not spelling bee. Ask me a middle name. Where your middle name? Wait.
Spell it.
You can't talk about spelling and spelling bee this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
On a spelling bee. You can't ask me for spell no. Come think of a next question. That's on a spelling bee and you see ask me to spell nothing. That's crazy.
Alright,
You just want to smack me.
I'll tell you how much in there. We should tell them. Ask how much. You must tell them.
But that you can't ask that neither.
Why not?
Because I know that different.
No.
Cause everybody needs spell different.
That's
Not
it.
even what name. Me know anything about me not 100%. What your name?
You know.
I mean you don't want to use the last mark you ask me my name. Me probably get it right.
You don't get it right. Spell it.
And a spelling, me say you don't want to ask me what it is.
Awa.
You don't want to ask me
Awa.
Alicia.
Spell it.
Alicia.
Spell yeah. Spell it.
As A-L. E come before I or I come before E?
You tell me.
You tell me. But then you get this one a part of the question. I'm going to think on the question. But I spell it for the sake of spelling it. A-L E come E-I A-L-E-I-S-H-A. Oh, alright then, quick video done.
No. She said another one here. You ask for
But see, you put me on the office spell me.
Exactly.
That's the way she asked me feel like say it have a kind of a trick to it. Why she asked that?
So you never know every time you ask her.
Oh, for putting it in my phone. True. Well, I never
Mom,
asked
give
my
one
mother name.
question. Oh my God! You know it?
No, you're not gonna really ask me that.
Really, mommy?
I hope they can't hear. Come, bonus question. Come on. You want to continue with the one your mother asked? Your mother asked for her favorite position.
But me and mommy, I say when I'm discussing with my mother, I say no, but favorite position like that.
You discuss what with her? I think you have
Maybe
none.
answer. Let's come on, phone or something.
One clue for ask you? Alright, ask me your favorite something. Don't ask me your favorite color because you don't have none.
Don't. You know my favorite, a purple favorite, but I don't remember that purple.
I think you have
And
none.
the answer.
You don't have none, though.
No, I'm not thinking about it.
And you don't really have no favorite food neither. You just love to eat whatever you feel for.
Yeah,
You see me know, you know? And if me ask you my favorite food, she couldn't tell. Huh?
me tell one of them. You see what we
But you can't be, what me guess it? We never, all time.
you love burger. Yeah,
No.
I stay for eat chicken, that and nothing else. You know,
No,
like
not chicken, house burger or shrimp. If they, anything would I choose. I must wings. You mean when I say chicken?
Yes. That.
When's the
So
chicken?
is the chicken?
I might feel like other weeks. I'm most of them dry.
Not anymore. That's what I mean. I say kind of trick. That person kind of tricky.
No man, I always shrimp and pasta and burger. I look for.
Exactly, burger too.
Me not gonna stand and look for wings unless nothing else in the pan menu. That time they allow me choose wings. Hold on.
What's your favorite hobby?
Your favorite hobby?
Yeah.
They seem like a sports. They same thing.
No, that's not your favorite sport.
Hobby like we look for do.
Yeah.
You ask me to smoking already. I asked me the
No,
question.
no, my favorite hobby is my favorite thing to do in my room.
Hobby is thing to do.
No, my favorite hobby. I love do.
You say she indecisive. She don't even know what her favorite thing.
Whoa. What is my favorite hobby?
Hobby. Me don't know you not like watch TV.
Once I love do me ever
Exactly.
do.
You don't have nothing you like do. Oh, your favorite hobby is dancing.
Oh, come here, stay.
So that's it for today's Smack or Fat challenge. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know if any part 2 and big announcement. We have our joint channel coming. Yeah, I'm going to.
So.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.